Hi, space explorers. Welcome to Kids, Step by Step. Today, we're blasting off on an amazing adventure through our solar system. Ready? Buckle up. 3, 2, 1, liftoff. Section 1, the Sun 015 to 035. Our journey starts with the Sun, the big, bright star in the center of our solar system. It's super hot and gives us light and heat. Did you know the Sun is so big, over 1 million Earths could fit inside it? Whoa. Section 2, the planets to 035 to 150. Now, let's visit the 8 planets that orbit the Sun. They're like a big space family. Show animations of planets as they're introduced. Mercury. It's the closest to the Sun and super fast. It takes only 88 days to orbit. Venus, the hottest planet. Even hotter than Mercury, it has thick clouds. Earth, that's where we live. It's just right for life. Mars, the red planet. It might have once had water. Jupiter, the biggest planet, with a giant red storm that's like a hurricane. Saturn, famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Uranus, it spins on its side and looks bluish-green. Neptune, the farthest one, super cold and windy. Section 3, moons and more, 150 to 230. Did you know Earth has 1 moon, but other planets have lots more? Jupiter has over 90 moons. That's a moon party. And guess what? There are also dwarf planets like Pluto. It used to be the 9th planet, but now it's in a different group. Still cool though? And look out for asteroids and comets. They zoom around space like cosmic snowballs. Ending, 2:30 to 3 o'clock. Wow, our solar system is amazing, right? So many planets, moons, and mysteries to explore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time on Kids. Step by Step for more fun learning, and remember, keep looking up, space is awesome. Outro music plays with fun space visuals and subscribe animation.